Hello, today we will guide you through how to edit scanned PDF document in Sejda. If you have a scanned PDF that behaves more like an image than an editable document, Sejda can help convert that scanned text into something you can work with. In this walkthrough, we'll first use OCR, which stands for Optical Character Recognition, and then open the processed file so it can be edited. Start by going to the Sejda website. Once the page loads, look toward the top left area of the screen and click on All Tools. This section gives you access to Sejda's full set of PDF features, and it's the easiest place to find the tool you need for scanned documents. From the list of available tools, click on OCR. This is the feature that reads the text inside a scanned PDF and converts it into recognized, selectable text. That step is important because scanned files are usually just images of pages, so they need to be processed before editing is possible. Next, click on Upload File. When your file browser opens, locate the scanned PDF you want to work with and select it. In this example, you'll browse for the sample scan file and open it in Sejda. Make sure you choose the correct scanned version of the document, since this is the file that will be analyzed for text recognition. Once the file is uploaded, choose the option to recognize all text on all pages. This tells Sejda to process the entire document rather than only a portion of it. If your PDF has multiple pages, this helps ensure everything is converted consistently. Now give the tool a moment to process the file. Depending on the size and quality of the scan, this may take a little time. When the OCR process finishes, click Download to save the newly recognized version of the PDF to your device. This downloaded file is the one you'll use for editing. After that, return to the Sejda homepage and click on Upload File again. This time, select the file you just downloaded after OCR processing. Uploading the converted version is the key step, because it contains recognized text that Sejda can handle more effectively for editing. Once the file opens, you can begin editing. At this stage, the scanned PDF has been transformed into a much more workable document. If the original scan was clear and well aligned, the editing results will usually be better, so keep that in mind when preparing documents in the future. That's it. You've successfully used Sejda to turn a scanned PDF into an editable file.